Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth's rotation reversed? Imagine the sun rising in the west and setting in the east. Intriguing, isn't it? This is an extremely hypothetical scenario, and the odds of it becoming a reality are next to none. However, exploring such a possibility can be quite a mental adventure. So, buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of theoretical physics and Earth science. Before we can understand what would happen if Earth's rotation reversed, we need to understand what Earth's rotation is. Our planet Earth, this beautiful blue marble floating in the vast expanse of space, spins on its axis, a line that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole. This spinning movement is what we call Earth's rotation. It's like a top spinning on a table, but on a much larger scale. But how fast does the Earth spin? Well, you might be surprised to know that at the equator, the Earth is spinning at a speed of over 1,000 miles per hour. Yes, you heard it right, over 1,000 miles per hour. Now you might be wondering, if the Earth is spinning so fast, why don't we feel it? It's because the Earth spins at a constant speed and in a constant direction, eastward. This consistent, steady spin means we don't feel the movement, just like we don't feel the speed when we're inside a moving car that's traveling at a constant speed. This rotation of the Earth has some important effects. For starters, it's the reason we have day and night. When a part of the Earth faces the sun, it's day for that region. As the Earth rotates, that part moves away from the sun and it becomes night. Another significant effect of Earth's rotation is the Coriolis effect. This is a bit more complex. Because of the Earth's rotation, moving air and water get deflected, creating patterns of weather and ocean currents. The Coriolis effect is why hurricanes spin the way they do, and why we have trade winds. So, to sum it up, Earth's rotation is a fundamental aspect of our planet. It's what gives us our 24-hour days, it shapes our weather, and it influences the movement of our oceans. Now that we have a basic understanding of Earth's rotation, let's look at what could happen if it were to reverse. So, what would happen if one day our planet decided to spin the other way? This question might seem like a plot for a science fiction movie, but it's a concept that has fascinated scientists and theorists alike for years. It's time to take a journey into the realm of theoretical physics and climate science to explore the effects of a reversed Earth rotation. Let's start with the most noticeable effect. The sun would rise in the west and set in the east, a complete reversal of what we're used to. But this would be just the tip of the iceberg. A reversed rotation would trigger a chain reaction of catastrophic changes, starting with our climate and weather patterns. Currently, our planet spins eastward, which influences the direction of trade winds and ocean currents. If Earth were to spin the other way, these winds and currents would also reverse. The consequences? Dramatic shifts in our climate, leading to drastic changes in temperature and precipitation patterns. Areas that are now deserts could become lush and green, while fertile lands might turn into barren wastelands. But the effects wouldn't stop there. Our planet's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful solar radiation, is also tied to the Earth's rotation. A reversed rotation could potentially disrupt this magnetic field, leaving us vulnerable to solar flares and cosmic rays. This could have devastating effects on our technology and, more importantly, on life as we know it. The gravity of these changes is hard to fathom. The world as we know it would be turned upside down, both literally and figuratively. It's a sobering thought, a testament to the delicate balance that allows life on Earth to thrive. The intricate system of winds, currents, and magnetic fields that we often take for granted is, in fact, a finely tuned machine, one that doesn't take kindly to being tampered with. As we can see, a reversal in Earth's rotation could lead to some pretty dramatic changes. But don't worry, the chances of this happening are astronomically small. So for now, we can rest easy knowing that our world will continue to spin just as it has for billions of years. But what about us? How would a reversed rotation affect human life? Well, to start, it's a given that our conception of time would be turned on its head. Our time zones are based on the rotation of the Earth, so with a reversal, we'd see a flip. Your morning coffee could become your midnight snack. But there's more than just our schedules at stake. Let's talk about the ground beneath our feet. Some scientists speculate that a reversal in Earth's rotation could lead to a surge in seismic activity. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, tsunamis, they all could become far more common. We'd need to rethink our buildings, our cities, even where we choose to live. Beyond the physical, our technology would also take a hit. Satellites, for instance, are launched in the same direction as Earth's rotation to take advantage of the speed boost. If the Earth were to rotate in the opposite direction, it could wreak havoc on our satellite systems. GPS, weather forecasting, even your favorite streaming service might all face significant challenges. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Changes in wind and ocean currents, shifts in climate and biodiversity, the list goes on and on. We'd have to adapt in ways we can hardly imagine. In short, life as we know it would be dramatically different. So, while it's an interesting hypothetical to consider, it's safe to say that we should be glad that Earth's rotation is not likely to reverse anytime soon. We've delved deep into the mechanics of Earth's rotation, a precise dance of physics and gravity that keeps our planet spinning on its axis. We've pondered the potential effects of a theoretical reversal, catastrophic climate changes, wild shifts in weather patterns, and the chaotic reorientation of the magnetic poles. We've even touched upon the profound impact such a reversal would have on human life, from the devastation of infrastructure to the disruption of ecosystems we rely on. But remember, these are all hypothetical scenarios, products of our imagination and scientific curiosity. The likelihood of such an event occurring is incredibly small. So let's continue to enjoy our planet's steady spin and appreciate the stability it brings to our lives. Thanks for joining us on this journey through theoretical physics and Earth science. Remember, the universe is full of fascinating questions just waiting to be explored.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. That's all for Nifty Narration.